Well, the greenhouse is finally complete. It took us maybe about a week, but yeah, we got one of the benches in, and we're going to put another one over here. We have yet to put the fan in, and another bench will go in there with, soil mixing and water over here. And of course, electrical outlets all over, and light, and so on and so forth. But it's 10 by 12, pretty good size. We really like it. Yeah, all covered up. Put a roof cap on, and reinforced over here, and stained it. And yeah, we did wire to let the drainage and air flow through. And yeah, so getting there. Lots of plans. We got a lot more to put in here too. But yeah, we'll put some plantings all around the front. And yeah, pretty happy with it. Maybe about $2,000 I figure, something like that.